Yes, dear student, come with me to study kinds of letter.
Hello dear student, welcome back. You are here with me again with new video, and today's video is on kind of letters. What is letter? And how many type of letters are there? Yes. First of all, it is very important to know that what is letter. See, letter is a kind of written information which you want to forward, which you want to convey, and which you want to pass to other person, other resource, other authorities. Right? हमारा subject matter तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. So whenever you want to pass out, if you आप थोड़े से अगर पीछे जाते, if you will bit back in the history, you will see, वो देखोगे कि हम मैसेज कबूतर के द्वारा इधर से उधर पास किए जाते थे. With the passage of time, there comes the time of writing letters, and through this system and through this format, we convey our message to other. But here, I would tell you that letters are of two types. See, first one is here, formal letter. Second one is informal letters. So, formal letters are those letters in which we have to follow some rules. Informal is what? Informal letters are those letters in which we usually no need to follow any kind of rule because these are the informal. इसके शब्द से पता लगता है. And such letters we usually write for our relative friends. Okay, mother, father, brother, sister, friends, etc. But when we talk about formal letters, which is almost divided into four parts. See, business letters, letters to editor, letters of applications, and official letters. These are four basic kind of letter which we study under formal. Formal why? Because we have to follow some set format to it. Same way as you greet some very highly and very particular persons. पहले से एक इस तरह का प्रोटोकॉल तैयार किया जाता है कि इसको क्या करना है, उसको क्या करना है. तो इसी तरह से हमें यहाँ भी कुछ चीजें हैं जो अपने दिमाग में रखनी होती है. That we have to follow while we write. See, the first one is your business letter. Business letter? Of course, business letter. These are the kind of letter in which we want something and sometimes we want to give something. Means demand and supply are the matter of such letters. But while we write such letters, we have to follow some important things. See, what are these?
Letter play vital role in our life. See, it is the best way to keep contact with friends and relatives who are away. It can be preserved for posterity and can be read time and again. And it affords a deeper, better, and a more creative expression of thought than a conversation on phone call. Right? As far as concerned about the business letter, it's very much different than other. These are the letters which are occupied with commercial item and trade activities and ask for and giving informations and placing orders and the sending replies, etc. And its form and language in business letter differ from the personal letter because it avoid personal remarks. It should be fact based and with relevant points. Okay. Now important thing is the format of letter, which is very important to write any kind of letter. There are 8 things which you always should keep in your mind. The first thing with which you will start your letter writing, senders एड्रेस एक्सेप्ट नेम. नाम को छोड़कर आप अपना एड्रेस लिखोगे अपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. नंबर 2 पे डेट लिखोगे. नंबर 3 पे एड्रेस ऑफ द रिसीवर एंड एड्रेस यू विल राइट. Okay, the same way you can see on the screen how subject, what is the subject of your demand supply जो भी है. Then salutations क्या होती है, sir, madam. Then content, body of the letter, the subject that you are writing in. Then complimentary clause. Okay, yours, whatever you are, and yours faithfully, and then there will be the your name, ABC जो भी होगा. Right? This formula and this format we should follow while we write business letter. Okay? See how we have made.
Next one is here, letters to editors. Why letter to editors? See, Newspaper is the cheapest way to get information and to spread information. If you want to publish any kind of article in the newspaper, so you will write to the editor, you will meet the editors in regard of any problems, because there are the different kind of problem around us. Like there is a problem of the crowded in the buses, there is a problem of teasing, there is a problem of electricity, road, the traffic, and there is a problem of teasing, there is a problem of monkey menace, right? Not only that, but also many more. And through such article and through such letters that we write to the editor, it awares people because it is the cheapest. The people get information, different kind of information through the newspaper. Alright? Because by publishing the big placards and bade signboard laga ke, it's just really costly. You can't aware the people that way in बड़े एक विस्तृत तरीके से नहीं, otherwise no doubt you will, but in a limited area. But by the newspaper you can get in touch with the large number of people, you can aware the people in a mass. बहुत सारे लोगों में आप इस information को दे सकते हैं. That's why it is very important to us to see what are these 8 things very important to follow while you write such letters to the editor. See,
most of the people are fond of writing letter to the editor of a newspaper. Why? See, every newspaper provide a special column for this title, letters to the editor, and everyone can express one's problem. Policies can be criticized, and complaint can be the lodge here actually, and they can criticize the government policies and action, and anything that is happening around you which is problematic and which affect the large number of the people, right? That letter should be very much precise and to the point, and it should be polite and respectful in language and without hurting anyone's language, right? And there can be various subjects like which affect the large number of people, like the rising prices of essential commodities, environment problem hai, nuisance of monkeys, nuisance of loudspeaker, dowry system, drainage system, road problem hai, increasing population in our country are like some example which we can take up through the editor of the newspaper. And as far as concerned about the format, it is almost same as was in the business letter. See one format and see one example of such letter. See the format.
Next one is here. Letters of applications. What kind of letters and applications? Letter be applications be. Yes, dear student, these are the kind of letters and the kind of application which you write for some very important purpose. Suppose you want to apply somewhere in the school and somewhere in any company, कहीं भी offices में कहीं apply करना चाहते हैं, you think that I'm capable, I'm efficient, so you can apply. When will you apply? When you saw and when you see any kind of article published in the newspaper regarding any job, so you will write in response to that article to that particular authority, particular office. But before writing and before giving the response of the newspaper, you have to write the address. किसका address लिखने जा रहे हो? See how we can write.
Letters of applications are very important kind of letters, right? These kind of letters of applications are usually written for jobs and are usually written in reply to advertisement. Having seen the article in the newspaper, you will apply for this, right? They require a formal and precise treatment. Their format is as same as for a business letter and letter to the editors, but along with the letter, it must carry the biodata of the applicant. Why and how? The first thing you could see that how we can write and what is the format. This is the first of all, you will write the sender address, date, receiver's address, maybe the institutions, the schools, authority, जो जिस particular office के लिए आप apply कर रहे हो, जहाँ पे post खाली पड़ी है वहाँ का address आएगा, subject, salutations, and the body of the letter in response to the advertisement that you have seen something in the newspaper, and having seen that you are writing to that particular authority and offices and institutions that yes, I can apply because I have qualifications. So here, then afterward you will write complimentary clauses there and name, and having completed you will give your biodata. What will be there in the biodata? Like applicants का name है, address है, date of birth, education qualification, hobbies, experience if any, right? The reference if required. Like how? See.
Last one is here. Official letters. What are these? Yes. Official letter are those letters which we write to the head of department. Suppose there is a problem of water in your area. Suppose there is a problem of teasing. Suppose there is a problem of irregular delivery of letters in your area. Suppose there is, kind of other things and other issues that is happening around you, around your society. So you want to aware the authority of the negligence of their officers. Why that particular thing is not executed at the right time while you have already told about this. आपने तो पहले इस बारे में बता दिया था कि ऐसा होने वाला, ये भी कर देंगे, वो भी कर देंगे, but you are so much negligent and unaware about this that things is not going according to your orders. So kindly take essential step to check this. Otherwise we have to check by our own way. इसमें हम अथॉरिटी को अवेयर करते हैं. मेडिकल की प्रॉब्लम है तो हेड ऑफ द ऑफिस, हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट जो होगा उसको हम लेटर लिखते हैं किसके रिगार्डिंग, दैट यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट. तो प्रॉब्लम तो देखो हमने न्यूज़पेपर के माध्यम से भी भेजी है, बट इट्स बट डिफरेंट इन नेचर. ओके, एंड दिस हियर सी हाउ वी कैन राइट.
Official letters are written to authorities, public and government offices, and officials for making inquiries, requests, and for drawing their attention to certain problem, especially the negligence of their officials towards some special duty allotted to them, right? But when you write to them, you must be very polite and respectful in their tone and language. They are often addressed to the heads of the concerned department to drawing their attention. As far as concern about the format, it will be same 8 thing that you always have to keep in your mind: sender's address, date, address of the receiver, subject, and then salutations, body and the content of the letter, compliment, name, etc. Right? See how.
That was about the formal letter. Under which we study business letter, letters to editor, letters of applications, and official letter. Okay, number one business letter which is associated with the business. ये बिजनेस के लेन देन को लेकर भी राइट, सप्लाई एंड डिमांड की बातें हम इसमें करते हैं एंड टू द पॉइंट हम इसमें लिखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज द लेटर टू एडिटर. लेटर टू एडिटर, दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एंड काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन वी गिव टू द एडिटर. एडिटर को देते हैं बिकॉज वी वांट टू अवेयर द पीपल अबाउट सम problem that is happening around, not only around you but also in a large scale which affect the large people. Okay, letters of application here, these are the kind of letter which is a kind of resume which you give to some offices because you want to apply for that particular post when you saw any article in the newspaper, right? And next, official letter. When you feel that there is some negligence on behalf of the staff and behalf of the employee, you want to aware the official. Okay, now move to here. Informal, these are the kind of personal letter. Personal letter don't need to follow any set format, a set formula. Generally हमें 8 things that we should keep in our mind always while we are and whenever we are writing such letters. But when we are writing personal letter, that time we don't need to write anything like that. How will you write? See, personal letter, क्योंकि personal है. See how we can write.
A personal letter is one which we write to member of our family, friend, and relatives. And such letters are intimate and informal and is full of feeling, emotion, and passion. And purpose of writing such letter is to express feeling, and sometimes we write for fun and share our feeling, especially the joy and sorrow, and sometimes to mark social and religious occasion, and to announce a birth and engagement, and to acknowledge and appreciate people in our life, and to advise them, and to make a complaint, and to make a proposal, suggestion, and to send invitation, etc. As far as concern about its format, it is really very much personal and actually depend upon one who are writing letter, like first of all you have to start with your address, self address, actually sender's address, and then you will write the date same way as you can see here on the screen, and then salutations, my dear friend, my dear brother, father, and you can write your name, write your loving one's name, etc. And how can you start your letter, the see how, and there are some set word with which you can write, and there are some set word and set format with which you can end, right? uh, and now next one is the complimentary close, which is really very important, yours sincerely, especially for your friends. And if you are writing for your parents, elders, so you have to write, and you should write affectionately, your affectionately. And otherwise अगर आपके brother sister कोई है तो directly you can write your brother, your sister. Okay.
And that was something about letters. The broadly, it has been divided into two parts. These are the formal and informal. And informal further divided into four, and these are business letter, editors को लेटर लिखे जाते हैं, और letters to applications होते हैं, और officials को letter लिखे जाते हैं. And the next one is the informal letter. And informal letter is kind of letter which is personal, in which we don't need to follow any rules. That's it. These were something about these letters. Hope you will enjoy, and hope you have enjoyed and you have learned that how we can write and for what purpose we can write letter. Thank you and have a great time ahead.